Welcome back to Ingredient Insights. Today, we explore black peppercorns, a spice that not only enhances flavor, but also boasts numerous health benefits. We'll dive into its origins, culinary uses, and nutritional advantages. Black pepper, scientifically known as Piper nigrum, is a flowering vine native to India. The spice comes from the dried fruit of this plant, known as peppercorns. Historically, black pepper has been revered as the king of spices, used in ancient Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It was so valuable that it was once used as currency and played a significant role in trade routes, influencing global commerce and culinary practices. Nowadays, some of the best black pepper in the world is grown in the Kampot region of Cambodia. Black pepper has a sharp, mildly spicy flavor that enhances a wide range of dishes. It's a staple in kitchens worldwide, often used to season meats, vegetables, and sauces. Famous dishes that highlight black pepper include cacio e pepe, a simple Italian pasta dish, and various spice blends in Indian cuisine. In cooking, black pepper can be used whole or ground, and it pairs well with other spices like turmeric, cumin, and garlic, making it versatile for both savory and sweet recipes. Black pepper is rich in piperine, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Its health benefits include improved digestion. Black pepper stimulates digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient absorption and alleviating digestive issues. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that piperine may have protective effects against certain cancers by reducing oxidative stress, enhanced nutrient absorption. It significantly boosts the absorption of beneficial compounds like curcumin from turmeric and beta-carotene from vegetables. Weight management. Black pepper may aid in weight loss by promoting metabolism and fat breakdown. For most people, a daily intake of black pepper is safe, but moderation is key to avoid digestive discomfort. Anyone looking to enhance their meals while reaping health benefits should consider incorporating black pepper into their diet. To get started, try adding black pepper to your morning eggs or use it in a simple marinade for meats. Mix olive oil, black pepper, salt, and your favorite herbs. Black pepper works beautifully with lemon zest, garlic, and herbs like rosemary and thyme, enhancing the flavors of your dishes. In conclusion, black pepper is not just a seasoning. It's a powerful ingredient that can elevate your cooking and contribute to your health. So, next time you reach for the pepper shaker, remember the rich history and health benefits packed in those tiny black pearls. Thanks for tuning in to Ingredient Insights. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious discoveries.